Hey guys, just actually jumping on the charts here this morning. Got about 7 seconds left for this trade right here that I actually want to be entering in on. I'll go and do this here live with you guys and enter in. So I'm currently live on this right now. You guys can hear in the back order filled because I'm looking at this as an overall trade. So what am I looking at? 5 minute time frame on our dashboard. What is our 5 minute time frame doing? We're actually completely solid green on the bottom. So I know that bigger money is actually flowing up. Ooh, get a nice little move here. This is pretty good. So this is moving up. Let's go ahead and mark out here our triple G and triple R. We're going to go ahead and go like this. That is our stop loss and take profit on this. So what I'm looking at here is if price action gets anywhere near close to this high here on that line, I'm just going to look at closing this out. If it ends up dropping below here, that's also an indication for me to get out. Now, 2 minute time frame also, and 1 minute time frame. Guys, take a look at our dashboard right here. Oh, that is moving up a bit. Very good. Literally, 8 out of 9 of these are all green. So if these are all green, this is where I just want to be looking to go a little bit higher and holding a position like this. I didn't get in on these other trades this morning. Buy signal ended up moving up. This one ended up barely hitting target right afterwards. This was one sell. There we go. If this ends up pushing up any higher, getting close there, I'm just going to close it out here live for you guys so you can see this. A little bit of extra push. Let's see if we can get it. And you know what, guys, I'm fine with that. Totally fine. Order failed, you guys can hear in the back. Just show transparency, like always, you guys. So how much was that? $97.50. You guys, this is over 2 accounts because I passed my other 2 accounts just yesterday. So let's look at this right now and see for this last month. Actually, this month, I don't know if we can go, let's actually go for this quarter. So this is going to be everything from start to finish. This is on this account specifically. This is 14 trades, 14 winning trades, 0 losses. You guys can see everything down here for transparency. And I'm just using these metrics to do this. There's nothing fancy. I wish I could say there's like another screen off to the left or to the right that's like, oh, there we go. And awesome. Ends up hitting our profit target and actually even further. So that ended up hitting my 10 points or higher that I want for the day. I'm honestly done. How I translate this is, that's almost $100, right? If I have 5 accounts, how much is it? That's $500. $500, I'm done for the day. Don't have to trade at all. So just to recap this, what I'm looking at is, if you have your higher time frame, the 5 minute down here, your histogram, your charts, everything here is all green. Use this bottom line as your overall determining factor of the actual trend, right? So something that people do is either turn on the MA filter or turn it off. Now the MA filter turned on or off is literally going to tell you in these metrics, okay, this is going to say populate everything above 200 EMA, go ahead and do buy signals. Everything below, go and do sell signals. Now you could do this and you turn MA filter on, guess what it's going to do? It's actually going to get rid of some of the signals and the false signals on your chart and actually just give you the ones going long. Well, can you actually play those signals more and actually just do that instead? Yeah, actually, it does work really well. I just visually know, and I'm just after doing this for a while, that a bigger uptrend like this, I want to be looking for these triple G movements because everything is heading the upward direction. So this is a little trick that you guys can use just to be able to do that. Now, this off is how I like to trade, just because I like to see every signal on the chart. But when you guys use this, take a look at these metrics on the bottom. Use this as your overall trend, push it up. Guys, that's a live trade right here live with you guys. If you guys haven't done so already, head over to My Future Success. This is the link in the description below and grab lifetime access to all of this. I'm having such an amazing time with all of you guys. You never pay monthly service fees. Never pay anything for upgrades ever. And I have a challenge going on right now if you guys are following this channel, of course. 550K accounts, you are then able to join an elite trading team with myself. I actually have 1 member in this already. I'm working towards it myself right now. I have 3 out of the 550K accounts passed that you guys have watched. But also when you're over here, take a look at these reviews. Honestly, guys, some of these 5-star reviews that have come through are just absolutely incredible. Like literally spend 5-10 minutes just looking through this to see what resonates with you. Because I can guarantee that, what's something you can never guarantee? I can't guarantee anything's going to work 100% for everyone. That would just be lying. Guys, none of this is financial advice. I am not a legal financial advisor and you can lose money. But the reason why I like doing these videos and showing transparency is this is my accounts. These are the accounts that I'm personally trading. Is it possible to go 14, 17 wins and 0 losses so far? Yeah, you just saw that. Am I going to lose trades? Absolutely. I am not perfect. I lose trades. Was there a reason why I didn't take this one right here? Well, you know what? Overall, the trend was overall going high and I'm just was bullish. And I use this metric down here. So if I'm all green here, I want to just take this out and eliminate that trade. You know, so if bigger money's heading up, look at this. Dashboard is totally green. My gosh, absolutely incredible. Buy signal right here, illuminated, target hit, 5 points done on the 1 minute time frame. So you guys, every time I get on here, I want to try to give more and more education. And with this video, I want you to overall look at the bigger trend. Look at the bigger trend on the 5 minute time frame. Then look what your smaller money is doing. Smaller money is always going to follow bigger money. We all know that. So if the big bulls and the bears and the herd is moving one direction, we don't want to be facing them, right? We're just going to get knocked over and killed, right? Why not you jump on the backs of them? Jump on the backs of the bulls and the bears and run with them. And run with him for just a little bit of a length to get in and get off to get to your destination. Your destination is 10 points a day. 10 to 15 to maybe 20 points. For me specifically, guys, I don't need more than 10 points. I'm going to eventually be trading with 1 mini. Right now I'm trading with 5 micros. You guys saw that. I am going to try to pass all these 5 accounts with just 5 micros, and that's it. When I get to 1 mini and link all these 5 together, 10 points a day is $1,000. You know, it's $200 spread over 5 accounts. You do not need to make any more than $1,000 a day from trading. You know what? Take Profit Trader. Absolutely the best prop firm I've ever used. Seriously, guys, you can 80-20% split. And the best part, unlike other prop firms, you can withdraw every single day. I cannot tell you, it takes 15 seconds to get from literally the computer to my phone, and I can spend the money right away. I'm not kidding you guys. It is the most amazing experience I have ever done. Just to show you guys this here, over here, if you guys haven't seen, these are the 3 accounts on my Take Profit that I have currently passed. I'm going to keep these in the pending status until the next 2 pass. When it gets to all 5, that's when I'm going to go ahead and activate all of these here, just so you guys can see, and then kind of just go from there. So you guys, I've had an amazing time. If you guys have questions, comments, anything, if you guys end up taking any of these trades, any of these long trades, since we're overall in this bull momentum here, you know, let me know. Send things in the comments. Let me know exactly if you guys end up taking any of these and making money this morning. And if not, you know, just go back at your charts, reanalyze it for a second, and just look at other conditions and be like, okay, this is what Justin's trying to teach. You know, right now here, take a look at this. What happened at this point? I know it's a little bit longer video. All 3 of these are green. Is there any reason, guys, tell me this, is there any reason why you can't enter in when all this is green right here, and you could have already been up 16 points? You absolutely can do this. You can pass your prop firm accounts with these metrics. There's so many people that have already done this. Is it going to take longer than you expect? Yes. It's the #1 thing that I learned from passing the 3 out of 5 accounts so far. Is it going to take you 3 to 5 days? No. Honestly, if you do, it's probably been over leveraged and it's too much. I want to work with individuals, and that's why I'm creating this elite trading group with individuals that pass these accounts that go for consistency. Put the dollar amount behind your head and put consistency up front, because falling in love with small right now is what big is attracted to later on. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. God bless.